Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. I was very excited to film this, but I guess someone didn't want me to record this video. Don't know who, but my camera was dead and is still dying, so I have to hurry up and do this review. And yeah, it's been a journey. It is now almost 10 o'clock at night. I did work all day too, so this is great. This is fun. I could have just recorded this tomorrow, but I'm a Virgo, so when I set my mind to something, we're gonna do it. And I had it in my planner that today we were gonna film this video, so now we're here and we're gonna do it. I don't know if I'll like it tomorrow, but I know right now I'm proud I'm doing it today. Ridiculousness aside, like I said, my camera probably won't last that long, so I'm gonna try not to blab. I don't know if y'all hear that, but I think people are shooting outside. Yep, people shooting. America. Okay, so I have, oh my god, I told y'all they don't want me to film. I got the Cutcreaser and Bymelolops collab. I was very excited about this. If you've seen my other videos, you know that I do own the mini radioactive Bymelolops collection. It is a Latin brand based in Puerto Rico, Boricua in the house, so of course I have to support this brand and also Cutcreaser, and she is extremely talented, so I thought, why not? Let me try it out. And they're now sold out, so you can't get this no more. You can't get this no more. It's an exclusive club. But yeah, it's super cute. It says be your own superhero and stuff like that. And I know she calls her followers Avengers. And I was really curious about why she chose like superhero theme, or why she calls her followers Avengers and stuff. And it had a really cute little message from Cutcreaser, and it like let you know what she's all about, and I really liked it a lot. So it made me even more excited to try this stuff out. Very cute packaging. I'll go quickly through the shades and then we're gonna get into the brushes, because that's mainly what I bought this for. This is called Point Break. It is a super deep blue, very pretty. Queens, or like a aqua teal color, very pretty too. Gauntlet, I love this yellow. I live for yellow. Yellow and orange, best colors. Oh, and green, my favorite color, smash. This green, I'm very excited about it. It's very pretty. And then there's Aether. Oh no, y'all. Very pretty. More red now that I see it right here. This one is called Inevitable, pinkish purple. Very pretty. Then we have a white. It's called 3000. And I really needed a white liner. I feel like it's very versatile. So I was really excited when they came out with white. And then I have Mark 1 silver, and I love it. Very excited to use this one. But yeah, those are all the colors. I think they're great, fantastic. When I took this baby out, I thought I broke it. I really thought, I was like, oh my god, I got a defective one or something. But I went on their website and they talk about how it's retractable, so it's supposed to be like that. So you twist it and you're able to like push it in or take it out, which is cool, especially for like traveling and stuff. But here is, what is this one? C1, very nice, very pretty. Here is C2, and this is C3. And this is C4. This is the one I was really excited to try out, because I feel like this I could use for a lot of things. So let's go ahead and do a makeup look with some of these colors, because this is a review. I think this is the fastest I've ever gone through a video. So what y'all think I should use? I'm really drawn to the blue and the green. I'm gonna try not to do too much, but that's hard for anyone to ask of me, because I'm just much. Let's go ahead and get it started. I really want to do, let's start in the outer corner. That's what I'm drawn to right now. Apply your liner when the paint is a creamy consistency. Now, I was going to use eyeshadow along with this look, but I really just wanted, since it's a review, just to use the liners, and that's it. So that's where we are. Okay, I really like these brushes already. That's it. That's the review. These are really great. I know some people will use actual paint brushes and stuff, but I'm so bad at finding things for makeup that I don't know how to explain it. I don't know. It's just like I find it easier when I know a product was made for something specific. Especially since I'm still new at the graphic liner stuff. I'd rather use tools that are specifically made for it, but I know plenty of people who use paint brushes and they work just as well, if not better. This pigment is no joke. Like, I'm really loving everything about this. Not that I'm surprised, because Bymelolops radioactive collection, even though I'm not a big fan of like UV light and neon stuff, the products worked very well. But I guess since these ones are more, in my opinion, usable colors, because I love bright and like deep colors. This is very nice, very nice. I'm gonna put the silver in the inner corner under the blue. And I'm gonna still use this. I like this brush. And I'm gonna go in with Aether, which is I don't even know what color it is actually. I'm gonna put it on my face and then I'll know. Oh, that's a pretty orange. Let's go in with Inevitable, since I don't know what it actually is. I'm gonna go in with Inevitable and with Queens. And then that's it. I need to calm down. A very pretty pink. It's like a fuchsia, I think. I don't know. Alright, C4 might be my favorite brush. I mean, I knew it was going to be. Love it. Alright, I'm going to do the other side. Then I'll be back with final thoughts. Alright, beautiful people. This is the final look. How do we feel about it? I personally, just my personal opinion, I love it. Here are my final thoughts. Love, love. So this is C4 and C1. I basically used these two for the whole look. And then I used a little bit of C2 for the green up here. I haven't used this one. I know these are good for like thinner lines, more detailed type lines, but I was too scared to use this. And just late at night, I didn't feel like going back and changing everything or like erasing, whatever. I wanted to keep it simple. This is simple. I love these brushes. I'm very glad I got them. I know they sell them individually on their site as well, and I need to start looking up here. I'm sorry, I'm like staring at them. I find it really, really helpful to have kind of a kit laid out for me so I can get used to things, because like I said, you can go out and buy some paint brushes, but for me personally, I like having a template, a foundation, if you will. And the pigment on these are ridiculous. I definitely recommend you trying out these water inks. And I mean, I prefer them over the radioactive collection. Like I said, I prefer bright, deep colors. So, you know, the UV ones didn't really call to me. They're more neonish. This probably looks neon to you, but I don't know how to explain it. I just prefer these. I hope they continue to come out with more colors. I love it, love it, love it, love it. They did a great job, and I just love everything. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I am very, very sleepy and tired, and I still have to take all of this off and clean up the mess that I made everywhere. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you in next week's video. Bye. I forgot to say, if you're new here, subscribe down below, like, comment, literally anything. Follow me on Instagram. I post new videos every Saturday, and I am constantly putting content out on Instagram, so give a look at that, you know. And if you don't want to, you don't have to. I'm just saying, if you needed a little push, here I am asking you. I mean, it's free. You already here. What's up?